So this Passat I took apart, I diagnosed it, scanned the computer at about 15 codes. With the 15 codes that it had multiple misfires and running reach, all kinds of stuff. Did a compression test on the vehicle. After doing a compression test on the vehicle, I discovered all the compressions was really good. We were concerned that the engine was blown or badly. It was smoking white smoke. It was in bad condition. But I took the plugs out, found out that one of the cylinders, number 3, was filled up with fuel. I cranked it. You could see the amount of fuel coming out of cylinder number 3, suggesting that it's broken or the injector is not functioning the way it should, because it's not supposed to be giving fuel when the spark is disconnected, and I had the spark disconnected because there was no coils. So it's throwing through fuel, and I'm suspecting that it's the injector failed. So I'm replacing these injectors, and we're going to install new ones or have them refurbished, and we're going to reinstall them and see if it solves the issue. So this is essentially it. Cylinders dirty with carbon buildup, but nothing too crazy. It should be advised to be cleaned, but that's up to the customer.